Okay, hi. Today is January 5, the new year, 2021. Okay, the time is 8:23. So let's make a record first. 4409. Okay, let's start. Oh, this is my mistake. Because this cannot choose the 1 minute and 2 minute. This need to run 50 minutes. So this is too long for us. It's wrong, it's my mistake. So just leave it there, okay? Because this 外汇怎么说？OK， 外汇不会说 I don't know how to say 外汇反正这个外汇 should be at half egg every day. Then you can choose 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, before that time it's only can choose like every round take 15 minutes. You see, everything is 15 minutes. So just leave it there. Okay, today I will do the triple. Okay, but at the last one or last two, I will turn it a little bit lower. Almost finished. Good. 4, 5, 4, 8. So today I earned $139. Even I didn't use 15 minutes because this one not finished yet. Maybe we are waiting for it. Let's finish and then if we get this and we can make more $4 today. Okay. Okay, no problem. If you do any mistake when you playing IQ option, don't try to make your money back. Okay, if you do one small mistake, just let it like that. Okay, then you can make more money. So today is done.